Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Julissa. This is my mom. Say hi. Today, my mom is going to be trying the new Revlon Plus on her short hair. Yay! And we have a giveaway for you guys. So make sure that you subscribe to this channel and my mom's channel, Decorando con Belkis. You want to tell them a little bit about your channel?
Mi canal está dirigido a todas aquellas personas que le encanta la decoración y las manualidades.
Yay.
No se lo pueden perder porque la verdad es que traigo muchísimas cosas interesantes y ahora más para Navidad.
¡Qué divertido! So subscribe to her channel and subscribe to my channel. Help her get to 1,000 subscribers! ¡Qué funny! And all you have to do to enter the giveaway is subscribe to our channels and then comment down below your Instagram so that I can reach out to the winners. There's going to be 2 winners and you can win the Revlon Plus. We're going to be giving out a new one, obviously, 2 new ones. And my mom did something special for you guys. DIY candles for Christmas. So cute. Look at this. She made these candles and they look so cute. Mira qué lindo. So yeah, perfect for Christmas. Each winner will get the new Revlon Plus and a candle. So yeah. Oh, let me show you guys the packaging of the new Revlon Plus. It's so nice and beautiful. It has a little bow. So yeah, subscribe to our YouTube channels and comment down below your Instagram. And good luck. My mom's going to be picking one of the winners and I'm going to be picking the other one.
Okay.
So my mom has been using the original Revlon for like 2 years now and she loves it so much. But now she's going to try
the new one. The Revlon Plus. Yeah.
So this is the original Revlon. This is the one that my mom uses, the original. It's a pretty big brush, so she has short hair. She's probably gonna like the Plus a little bit better because, as you can see, the brush is a lot smaller. So, yay! You excited?
Yes. I'm very excited.
The new Revlon, the Revlon Plus, has an added heat setting, so it has low, medium, and high. The original only has low and high. So do you want to try it in medium today?
Yes.
Just to kind of see how it works on her hair. She has pretty wavy hair, as you can see. So I think she'll be fine with the medium. So I'm just wetting my mom's hair a little bit so it could be more damp.
Okay. Oh, I need to use the leave-in.
I have a new one for you to try today. Yes. So this one is from IGK. This is the Good Behavior 4-in-1 Prep Spray. So I'm going to add a little bit of this to her hair. She has the Balm, que tú tienes el otro que yo te di. And she really likes it, right?
Yes.
You use it all the time. She also has the Drybar Prep Rally Spray, el rosado. Y también te gusta, ¿no?
Yeah.
But today she's going to try this new one and let's see how she likes it. I love this one. It's so good. So I'm going to detangle her hair with my Julie brush. Shop down below. Link is in the description box. And yeah, I'm just taking out any knots that she might have. Wow, qué suave está tu pelo.
Wow, sí.
It just glides right through. This also helps to detangle your hair and it adds shine. It controls frizz and it protects your hair from the heat up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit.
Okay, now I'm going to divide my hair in 2 sections or in 4. I think 4 is better for me. Yes.
I think it's easier like that. Mira un clip aquí. How long does it take you to blow out your hair with the original Revlon?
Maximum 20 minutes.
Oh,
yes.
Okay. That's not bad. That's so fast.
Yes, it's fast.
So she's going to try it in medium first, and then if you want, you can go up to high. Whatever you want. Como tú quieras. Okay, so here's the first section. What do you think?
Oh, it's nice.
Right?
Yes.
Look at all that bounce and volume at the end. You definitely get more of like a wave at the end with the smaller brush. So that looks really nice.
Yeah.
Your hair is getting so long.
Oh, yeah.
And look at that shine. Now let's see. Hi. It looks so shiny. So that was in the medium heat setting. What do you think? You think it's enough, or you think it needs to get hot,
No, it's
like
enough.
hotter?
It's enough.
Right?
Yes.
I think the medium heat setting is good. I don't think you have to
It's
go up to
good
the
for
high
me.
heat setting, because sometimes it gets too hot and that's not good either. So just to try it, she's gonna do this section on the highest heat setting, and we'll be back. Okay, so we're done with this side. This was with the highest heat setting. What do you think? Is there a difference, or?
Let me see. I think this is better.
Oh, you like that side better?
Yes.
Oh, so she likes the high heat setting. She's used to the original Revlon.
I like this one better. Yes.
Yeah, I feel like it does look a little better.
Yeah.
But if you want to do a medium heat setting, it still works pretty well. I think you just got to do a couple more passes with the medium heat setting. And with the high heat setting, you can get a smoother look a lot quicker. But yeah, look at the bounce that she gets on the ends. That's so nice.
Yeah.
So, okay.
Like Julissa.
Look at that shine.
Look at the shine.
So now she's gonna do all her hair in the highest heat setting, right?
Yes,
The highest heat setting, and we're gonna time it. So I'm gonna start my timer right now. It's probably gonna take her 15 minutes to do her hair, especially since you did these sections already. Alright guys, my mom is all done. It only took her about 11 minutes to do the rest of her hair, which is so fast. And what do you think of the new Revlon?
Oh, it's nice. It worked excellent.
You like it more than the original?
I think it's better for me.
Right?
Yes,
I feel like it's way better for shorter hair. You can get more in the roots, you can get more of a flip at the ends. Look at all that volume that she has at the end. No, that's really lindo. It looks so nice. And we're gonna actually add a little bit of oil now to just finish off the look. This is the Olaplex No. 7 bonding oil. So this is gonna add some shine to your hair. So you get this, see? Yeah, a little bit goes such a long way. And yeah, it gives her hair so much shine. It helps with flyaways to kind of keep the hair down, in place. Oh my god, your hair looks so good. Guys, look at that shine, the bounce. Her hair looks so healthy. Wow. She's been using the Amika, the Kure mask, and she loves it. And also she uses the IGK smoothing balm to kind of prep her hair before blowouts and stuff. So yeah, that is it for this video. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channels. Help her get to 1,000 subscribers by Christmas. Come on guys, you got this. Mwah, bye. Merry Christmas.